This platform, you can say, will allow us to revolutionize insurance. I think this is what we have been talking about and waiting for years.
Biggest change will be that we will not discuss transfer of documents of money or reconciliation of invoices, but we actually can talk about smart contracts. What can we do better?
And then you can actually concentrate as a broker around what the client is really going to want you there for, which would be advising around limits, risk management, the engineering of the risk, versus it being specifically around the actual transactional element of it.
Well, I think it's very exciting because as a risk manager, it allows me to concentrate on risk management rather than on administration of insurance contracts. The insurance industry is very transactional, and it requires a lot of documents, a lot of transactions to be completed, and it makes it very, very cumbersome. And this will allow us to basically simplify, automate, and streamline the processes and shorten the distance between risk and capital.
The platform we've developed is the world's first live distributed ledger for specialty insurance, enabled by blockchain. It delivers a secure distributed database that connects everyone in the specialty insurance value chain, giving them secure access at any time to a single version of the truth.
Suddenly we get much more information. We can be a much more real-time risk assessor. By using the system, we can find a real price for risk at real time.
So not only will we have the asset data as data, we'll also have the contract as data, so as in a smart contract. And that enables us to actually automate a lot of the post-placement activity within the insurance value chain.
And this gives rise to a lot of opportunities as to how we can think around new economic models for insurance and reinsurance.
So to build a platform that's going to be industry strength, we've brought together 3 different collaborators in the mix. So the first one is Guardtime. Guardtime come from the blockchain industry. They protect critical infrastructure.
We've got a lot of experience engineering big distributed systems. So our technology is scalable by design. Our engineering experience allows us to look at those platforms and look at those technologies very critically and understand how we can make them reliable and scalable, while at the same time protecting the privacy of the customer data, which is of paramount importance.
The second one is Accord, because without understanding the standardization of data, you can't get the granularity of information you need, nor share it efficiently across the network.
Accord, being the global standard-setting body, really ensures that these standards will be embraced collectively by the industry and enabled by a number of technologies and solution providers.
And then Microsoft, because Microsoft have the infrastructure around Azure and the ability to connect what it is that we've done with other applications that already run in the Microsoft stack.
Azure is designed for scalability. It's a hyperscale cloud platform that has a massive number of regions worldwide and a set of layering technologies that help make sure that applications are available and are reliable no matter what the circumstances are. We want to make sure that no matter what toolset, technology, language, framework that a customer wants to use, we support that in Azure.
What's been fantastic about the work that we've done so far is that we've been putting down the building blocks for a platform that could apply to other product lines, such as cargo or even property.
This platform has already brought the industry together. We've created an incredibly powerful way of removing complexity, reducing uncertainty, and enabling everyone in the ecosystem to focus on where they can really add value.
If you don't digitize, i.e. get on board with blockchain and other types of technologies, you will simply not be able to transact business ultimately.
So what I would encourage everyone to do is to come on board, because I think the more people we get on board, the faster this revolution can happen. But it needs more participants on board to fuel that expansion.